Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Bomissetti. Today we'll see what is DBT models, a very important topic. So in this video, we'll try to cover what is a DBT model and how to run a DBT model and how to refer the model and how to create a transient table and permanent table from DBT in a similar fashion, how to create a normal view, secure view in DBT. Okay, and we'll see the theory part and then we'll discuss practically the DBT cloud thing. Okay. So what are DBT models? Okay, so DBT models are .SQL files that contains transformation logic. Simple thing what? It's a .SQL file or .py file that contains select statements or with the class or CT, common table expression. What it contains? It contains our transformation logic, the aggregate functions, the analytical functions, joins, all this will be there in the DBT models. Okay. Simply you can say DBT models are simply the select statements in DBT. Okay. So see, DBT models are SQL select statements or with the class or common table expression. Whenever we run any DBT model, see what happened. Okay, see, it can be any data platform, Snowflake, okay, or Redshift, or BigQuery, or Synapse. So it can be any other data platform. Now, whenever we run any DBT model, what happened? Either table or views will be created. So based on the materialization property, you should know what is materialization property. So later we can discuss. So simple thing is that what? So DBT models are SQL select statement. Whenever I run any DBT model, what happened? So either tables or views will be created in the respective data platform. It can be Snowflake, Redshift, Synapse, or BigQuery. Now again, what happened? So since we are working on Snowflake, it can be permanent table or a transient table. Same thing, a normal view and a secure view, we can able to make it working. See one second what happened. So DBT models are SQL select statement. Whenever you run what happened, either tables or views will be created based on the materialization property. Again, these are divided into permanent table, transient table, normal view, secure view. So by using DBT, we can create permanent table, transient table, normal view, and secure view we can create. Okay, one second. So next thing is that how to run a DBT model. So very important. So DBT run -m and the model name. So if you want to run any DBT model, so DBT run -m and your model name we need to pass it. Okay. So one more thing is that so now I have created the model and I have executed, but I want to refer this DBT model. How to refer? So select the star from ref function. We should pass your model name. So select a star from ref function. So by using ref function, we can able to refer your model. Okay, got the point. So this is the same thing. Now what we need to discuss. So by using DBT, I want to create a permanent table in Snowflake. See how to create. See by using config is the materialization property. Config materialize equal to table, transient equal to false. If I put like this, what happened? The select statement will create as a permanent table. Same thing. Now I want to create a transient table. So see, using config macro, materialize equal to table, and I should mention transient equal to true. If I put transient equal to true, what happened? It's a transient table be created. Next thing is that what? So I want to create a normal view. How to create? So materialized equal to view, secure equal to false. If I put like this, what happened? The select statement will be created as a normal view. So one more last one is that what? So secure view. So if you see here what happened, so Praveen EMP is the view name. Okay, it's a model name. So materialized equal to view, secure equal to true. Like this, we can have same thing we'll see in practically. So we log into Snowflake and DBT account, and we can able to discuss the same thing in detail. One second. See, I logged into DBT Cloud. Before that, now what happened? So most of the people don't know. See, so search for Praveen, so Kumar Bomissetti. Okay, search with my name .grapheme.com. Okay, so see that. So if you see now what happened, so if you want looking for any paid courses now, so see, so click on courses. Okay, So if you want to search for, if you want to purchase DBT, you can purchase here. So search here. So go to the courses. So you can able to reach, if you have Android, you can able. So this is a paid version. So if you want to go for self-paced videos, you can able to purchase here. Okay. Now come to the things. Okay. Now this is what DBT cloud I have logged in. Okay. So first what I want to create a permanent table. See, create a new file. So use the shortcut, see, underscore config. So materialized equal to table. It's a case sensitive. So put the comma. So we should mention transient equals to false. Okay. So always start with simple use case. Select one ID. So this select statement. So now what happened? So see, config materialized, one more time, not able to understand. Underscore config materialized equal to table, then so transient equals to false. Okay, so put the select statement. So see where I want to save control S. So select the models. So EMP, so Praveen, so DBT, anything I'm putting, so name. So PRM dot SQL. So EMP, Praveen, DBT, this is the model name. So see, we need to check your file be created in the models folder. So this is the functionality create. Now what happens? See, simple thing. What we discuss in the PPT, whatever the select statement, it should be treated as a table or view based on the metallization property. We mentioned metallized equal to table, transient equal to false. Now what will now question is that what how to run dbt space. So run space hyphen m and your model name. One more time. So this is important. So dbt space run hyphen m and pass your model. It's a case sensitive. Now what happened? The select statement will be treated as a permanent table. If you see the now, you will get clarity. So EMP Praveen. So see, go to always check the details. So scroll down. Okay, see. So create or replace table, the database name. So the schema name, the object name. This is called as fully qualified name. The select statement, see, select one ID is created as what a permanent table. So based on the metallization property. So metallized equal to table. So transient equal to false. It's a, so if you want to create a permanent table, we should mention metallized equal to table and transient equal to false. Okay, see second one what? So let me close it. Open one more thing. Now what happened? I want to create a transient table. What is shortcut? Underscore. This is a config macro. So this is a macro. So this is the metallization property. Metallized equal to table, and I want to create a transient table. So we should mention transient equal to true. True. So metallized equal to table. So transient equal to true, and write your select statement. Any statement we can write. Now see where I want to save in which folder, in the models folder. Your file be created models folder, your name. So your model name or the file name. See EMP. Okay, so anything, any name for understanding purpose, I'm putting trans. It's a dot SQL file. It's a dot SQL. Copy. So create. Now how to run? So simply use what command? So dbt, okay, see, dbt run hyphen m and the model name. Now see, metallized equal to table, transient equal to nothing but what? Now transient table will be created. So it should confirm. So always check the logs and cross verify whether it's working fine or not. See, it's success. So see, summary, go to details. So check. Now see what happened. See, create or replace transient keyword. So transient table. So the database name, the schema name, this is the model name. Okay, it says select one ID. It's a transient table has been created. The .SQL file that contains select statement. Whenever we run, what happened? Either table or view will be created. Now, so transient table we have created. Same thing. One more thing is that what now I want to create a normal view. See, underscore config. So metallized equal to view. It's a case sensitive. Same case you should mention. See one more time. So what I should write? So view, comma. So secure equals to false. Now tell me now what it will be creating. Anyone any idea? So where I want to save control S in the models folder. Okay. So like EMP, so PRV, any name. So I want to create what? View, understand purpose. It's a dot SQL. So models folder check. You should cross verify and create. Now what happened? What I mentioned, materialized equal to view and secure equal to false. Now how to run? So use, okay, see DBT run -m and the model name. So it's a case sensitive. So we should give the proper name. So PRVN_view. Now see what happened. Now see. So now if you see the data, okay, it will be normal view. Select one ID should be see the logs. So create or replace view, database name, schema name, and the model name. So it's a normal view has been created. So close it. Now last one is that secure view. So see how to create __ config macro materialized equal to view. Tell me what I should mention. Secure equal to true. If I mention true, nothing but it's a where select statement. Select one ID. Now where I want to save in the models folder. Okay, clear? So from say EMP, so PRV, something like. So view, it's a dot SQL. So select the models folder. It's a dot SQL files, select statement. Now it will create as what? It should create as a secure view. That's it. Okay. So see how to run. So use up arrow and your model is what? So EMP_PRV _ SEC. 1 second. It's executed. So it's not see use up arrow. Okay, what's the model name? So PRV SEC_view. Now see what happened. It is success. Go to details. So scroll down. Now see create or replace view. It's a what view? Secure view has been created. So this is the model name. Nothing but say object name. So this is the way you can able to create him to secure view. Next thing is that what suppose see I want to refer this object. How to refer? See select star from __ ref function. Now pass the EMP_PRV_SCV. You can give any name. So try to select compile selection. It will give the database name, the schema name, the object name. This is called as fully qualified name. If a preview node data is coming from the object. So see how to refer by using ref function. So see the data one more time. So see how to refer a model, very, very important thing. Select star from ref function __ ref and pass your anything. So EMP, PRV, anything. Okay, now try to select and preview selection. So data will be coming from the Snowflake or any data platform. So this is the way we can able to make it working. So, okay, got the point also like this way. So you should know DBT models are made very, very important for your transformation logic. So we are developing the transformation logic by using DBT models. Okay. So if you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching. Okay.